Hello. In this video on statistics, we are going to show you how to compute some basic statistical characteristics of a sample. Let's consider the following problem. The administration of the university wants to find out how many lectures the students are usually skipping. So they asked 8 students of this university how many lectures they skipped during the last week. We can see the list of the answers on the screen. The population of interest in this problem are all the students of the specific university. The sample consists of the 8 students who were asked about their attendance. Therefore, the sample size is equal to 8. The range of the sample is equal to the maximal value of the sample minus the minimal value, and is equal to 3. Let's now compute the empirical mean of the sample, which is obtained as a ratio of the sum of all the sample values divided by the sample size, which is 2. This means that the average value of the average number of the lectures skipped during this week is equal to 2. The empirical variance of the sample can be obtained as 1 over the sample size minus 1 times the sum of the centered square values of the sample. This means that we have to subtract the sample mean from each value of the sample, square it and sum it up, and we get the sample variance equal to 10 over 7. The standard deviation of the sample is just the square root of the empirical variance, and it's equal to the square root of 10 over 7. To get the median of the sample, we first have to order the sample from the smallest value to the largest one. The mathematical notation of this is as we show. If the sample size was odd, we would just take the central value of the sample as the median. As is even in this case, we take the mean value of the 2 central values, which is 1 and 2, and we obtain 1.5. This means that 50% of the values in our sample are not larger than 1.5. To obtain the empirical quantile of the sample, we can use the formula that you can see in the screen now. X hat in this formula is the empirical quantile, where Q is the quantile level, which can range from 0 to 1. X with a subscript in the brackets is the value from the ordered sample with the position indicated in the brackets. For example, the 7th value from the ordered sample is equal to 3 in our case. The square brackets indicate the integer part of the value. For example, the integer part of 7.1 is equal to 7. As median is just a quantile of the level 0.5, we can compute it again using this formula now. N times Q for the median is equal to 4, and it is an integer number, so we are in the first case of the formula. So the median is obtained as the mean value of the 4th and the 5th value from the ordered sample, which is 1.5 again. If we want to compute a quantile of the level 0.6, we compute the product of n and q again, and we obtain 4.8, which is not an integer, so we are in the second case of the formula. Therefore, the quantile of the level 0.6 is the 5th value of the ordered sample, and is equal to 2. This means that 60% of the values in the sample are not larger than 2. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.